Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into a common issue that many iPhone users face when your iPhone just won't charge. If you have found yourself in this frustrating situation, don't worry. We are here to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Let us get started. Number 1. Check the basics. Inspect your charging cable and adapter. Begin by thoroughly inspecting both your charging cable and adapter. Look closely for any visible signs of damage, such as fraying, wear and tear, or any other irregularities that might suggest that cable or adapter is faulty. In some cases, the problem could be something as straightforward as a defective cable or adapter. If you have access to another cable or adapter, consider using them as a test to determine if they resolve the charging issue with your iPhone. Ensure proper connection. Confirm that your charging cable is firmly and securely connected to both the power source and your iPhone. Common problem is a loose connection, which can easily prevent your phone from charging properly. Double-check that the cable is fully inserted into both the charging port on your phone and the power source. Try a different power source. If you are experiencing difficulties with charging, plug your charger into a different power outlet. If you are currently using a USB port on your computer or a power strip, switch to a direct wall outlet instead. Sometimes, issues with charging can be traced back to the power source itself rather than the charging equipment. Number 2. Inspect the charging port. Check for debris. Dust, lint, or other types of debris can sometimes accumulate in your charging port, which might obstruct the connection and prevent your iPhone from charging properly. To address this, use a flashlight to carefully inspect the inside of the charging port. If you notice any debris, gently clean the port using a soft brush or a can of compressed air. Be cautious not to insert anything that could potentially damage the internal components. Check for damage. Examine the charging port for any visible signs of damage or bent pins. Look closely to see if the port has any cracks, dents, or other irregularities. If you identify any damage to the port, it is advisable to seek professional assistance. Visiting an Apple store or an authorized repair center can help ensure that any necessary repairs or replacements are handled properly, as attempting to fix the port yourself could potentially cause further issues. Number 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, simple restart can effectively resolve charging issues. To restart your iPhone, follow the appropriate instructions based on your model. For iPhone X or later, press and hold both the side button and either the volume up or volume down simultaneously till the slide to power off slider appears on the screen. Drag the slider to power off your iPhone completely. Once your device is off, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo, indicating that your iPhone is restarting. For iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, press and hold both the side button and the volume down button at the same time until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. After the device has completely powered down, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears to restart your iPhone. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both the side or top button and the volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding the buttons until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, indicating that your iPhone is restarting. For iPhone 6 and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the top or side button simultaneously. Continue holding the buttons until the Apple logo appears, which signifies that your iPhone is rebooting. Number 4. Update iOS. Outdated software can occasionally lead to charging issues. To ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, follow these steps. Connect to Wi-Fi. Begin by making sure your iPhone is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network. This step is important because software update can be substantial in size and may not download effectively over a cellular connection. A strong Wi-Fi signal will ensure a smooth and uninterrupted download process. Access the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This app is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen. Navigate to Software Update Settings. Within the Settings menu, tap on General. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Software Update and tap on it. This will take you to the section where you can check for and manage software updates. Check for available updates. Your iPhone will automatically begin checking for available software updates. This process involves connecting to Apple's servers to see if there are any new versions of iOS that you can install. If an update is available, a notification will appear with details about the new version, including any new features, improvements, or bug fixes that it offers. Download and install the update. If there is an update available, you will see an option to download and install. Tap on this button to initiate the download process. Ensure that your device remains connected to Wi-Fi throughout this process to avoid any interruptions. The download time may vary depending on the size of the update and the speed of your internet connection. Follow on-screen instructions. After the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Your iPhone may prompt you to enter your passcode or agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. The installation process may take some time, and your iPhone will restart during the process. It is important to keep your device plugged in into a power source or ensure it has sufficient battery life to avoid any disruptions. Completion and restart. Once the installation is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. After the restart, you can check the software update section again to confirm that the update was successfully installed. You may also notice that your iPhone is now running the latest version of iOS, which can help improve performance and resolve various issues. Number 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Reset Options, tap on General, then scroll down and select Reset. Use Reset All Settings. Tap Reset All Settings. You might need to enter your device passcode to proceed. Confirm your choice. Confirm that you want to reset all settings. This action will reset your settings to their factory defaults, but it will not delete your apps, data, or media. Number 6. Check battery health. To check your battery health, follow these steps. Open Settings. Access the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Battery Settings. Tap Battery, then select Battery Health. Review battery health information. You will see two key metrics. Maximum capacity. This percentage indicates the current capacity of your battery compared to when it was new. A lower percentage means your battery can hold less charge than it originally did. Peak performance capability. This shows whether your battery is currently supporting normal peak performance or if performance management features have been applied to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Consider battery replacement. If the maximum capacity is significantly degraded and affecting your iPhone's performance, you might need to consider getting a battery replacement. You can visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider to get your battery replaced. Number 7. Contact Apple Support. Visit the Apple Support website, support.apple.com, or use the Apple Support app to get in touch with a support representative. You can describe your issue and receive guidance on potential solutions. Visit an Apple store. If you prefer face-to-face assistance, visit your nearest Apple store. The staff can perform diagnostic tests to identify any hardware issues with your iPhone. Authorized repair centers. Alternatively, you can visit an authorized Apple repair center if there isn't a nearby Apple store. They can provide professional repairs or battery replacements if needed. And that's a wrap on our guide to fixing an iPhone that is not charging. We hope these tips help you get your device back up and running. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.